Hello guys, welcome back. And in this video, I will be telling you one of the most important topic, how we can read a JSON where a duplicates are present, or this can also be applied in any of the type of data, right? Even it is CSV file, even it is Pykit file or any other file format, right? So the question what here it is that we are giving one data frame, okay, and here you can see that this is a name, right? And this is Sagar and Prajapati. But when I did a display, right? So you can see that there is a double quotes available. So basically, this is my full name, Sagar Prajapati. Now either I want to remove these quotes, okay, double quotes, and what I want to do, I want to replace with nothing, or I can replace with it within by we can say space and so right. So how we can do that? Correct. So before we go to that, I would like to introduce my channel and my website where I have uploaded multiple courses on related to Azure Data Engineering, Databricks, ADF, Logic Apps, Python. So if you want to check out those courses, you can get the details in the description box as well as in this I button. Okay, so chalo, let's get started for this video. So you can see we have this data right now. What I will do, I will first import the function. So I will just write from PySpark dot SQL dot function. Okay, and see, I need to only take one function. So I'll just write that name, regex regex replace. Okay, I will use this function. Now uh, what I will do, right? So I can write df dot with column. Okay, we can also use with column rename, or I can also use with column. So let me go with column. Just use the column name. So since this is the column name, right? Data. So I have it in this, and now here I will use I will call that function regexp underscore replace. Okay, and here what I will do, see, regular expression replace function, what does it do is that it actually replaces the content, okay, whatever the matching pattern it is, with some string what we pass it, right? So here what I will do first, I have to pass a column name. So I am saying data is my column name. Then here I need to pass the matching pattern, I can say. So what is my matching pattern? Where quotes are coming, okay, how many times? Two times, right? And I want to replace it with nothing. I'm saying just now, for now I am saying this. And let me do a display of this, and let me run this. You can see, okay, I did a mistake. Huh. Now if I run this, then you will see the replaces have been, the quotes have been replaced by, blank, I can say. Now if I give here a space, then what will happen? There is a space in between, right? Now if I include here this, and if I run this, right, then you will see, then again it is showing me the, correct input only. So because, okay, if I run this, yeah, and this is a same display, right? Now if I run this, then you can see again we are seeing over here the same content. Now if I remove this content, if this is spaces, and if I try to run this, then you will see there is no space between my name, right? So like, see, this regular expression underscore replace function is very important, right? Either you can also use a replace function when when you know the exact string, but when you do not know the exact string, it is recommended to use regular expression underscore replace function. I have already created multiple videos on top of this, regular expression underscore replace function in my interview series, as well as in this Databricks and PySpark series only. You can go and check out, right? And see, this data can be present in any of the, we can say, in any of the data source, right? So you can apply this function multiple times. It's depend on you, how you wanna do that. Now if I run like this, just a minute, yeah, and now if I run this code, we'll see whether will it work or not. Now since it is already present, right, so it is not showing me like that. Okay, so I hope that at least you have understood this concept, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you are someone who is watching this video first time, right? And also check out my courses. That is a very wonderful courses I have built, on top of the ADF, Databricks, Logic Apps, Gate, and so, right? So chalo, thank you and happy Dashera to everyone. Bye bye.